Welcome to Listen English to Learn. If you want to improve your English in a fun and effective way, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: travel hacks for English learners. Travel is an amazing way to immerse yourself in a new language, and I'll share practical tips to help you learn English while exploring the world. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Now, let's get started. Learning on the go. Language immersion through traveling is not just about sightseeing, it's a golden opportunity to improve your English. When you visit an English-speaking country or even interact with tourists, you can practice your language skills in real-life situations. Embrace the local language. One of the best ways to learn English is to immerse yourself in it. Try speaking English whenever possible, whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or shopping. Make an effort to use English. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every interaction is a learning experience. Travel buddies, find language exchange partners. If you're traveling with friends, encourage each other to speak in English. Even better, find a language exchange partner. Many locals are happy to help you with English in exchange for learning your language. You can practice real conversations and improve your fluency naturally. Language apps use technology to boost learning. Make use of language learning apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise. These apps can help you build vocabulary and practice grammar while waiting for a flight or sitting on a train. Listening to English podcasts or audiobooks while traveling is another great way to improve your listening skills. Unlocking hidden opportunities. Language exchange programs. Traveling opens doors to many language learning opportunities that go beyond traditional methods. International student programs. If you're a student, look for international programs that allow you to study abroad. Being in an English-speaking environment for weeks or months will boost your confidence and language skills significantly. Language schools and courses. Enrolling in a short language course while traveling can be very helpful. Many cities offer intensive English programs that focus on real-life communication. Volunteer opportunities. Volunteering in an English-speaking country is another way to practice English while making a difference. Whether you work at a community center, a school, or an environmental project, you'll have daily chances to communicate in English. Travel resources, tools for language learners. Before and during your trip, there are many resources that can help you enhance your English. Language exchange platforms. Websites like Tandem and HelloTalk connect you with native English speakers for language exchange. You can chat online and even meet up in person if you're traveling to the same location. Travel blogs and websites. Many travel blogs share useful language tips for travelers. Reading travel blogs in English can help you learn new expressions and practical phrases. Social media groups. Join online communities for language learners. Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and Instagram pages dedicated to English learning are great places to ask questions and share experiences. From tourist to linguist, embracing a new perspective. When you travel, don't just be a tourist, be a learner. Break the language barrier. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become. Use every opportunity to engage in conversations with locals. Even a simple chat with a taxi driver or a shop assistant can help you improve your English. Cultural enrichment. Understanding the culture behind a language makes learning more meaningful. Observe how people greet each other, how they use body language, and how they express emotions. It's all part of mastering the language. Personal growth, learning English while traveling, doesn't just improve your language skills, it also helps you grow as a person. You become more adaptable, independent, and open minded. Questions for interaction. Have you ever practiced English while traveling? How was your experience? What's your favorite travel hack for learning a new language? Do you use language apps or social media for learning English? Which ones do you recommend? Share your answers in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences and tips. Conclusion. Traveling is one of the best ways to learn English naturally. By immersing yourself in the language, practicing daily, and using available resources, you can improve your skills while having unforgettable experiences. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. In our next podcast, we'll talk about how to build confidence when speaking English. See you soon, and happy learning.